We're going to do a little tour of the sales components of Workamajig. Where we're going to start is in the dashboard. Now, the dashboard is a great place to get an overarching view of how your sales are going. We're going to see where we are by stage on the different opportunities we have working. We're going to see if there's some favorites we've been working on. We'll see if we've been neglecting any of those opportunities. And we can also do some nice goal setting, monthly, quarterly, annual goals, and making sure then that if we have any issues, we see them right away. All of these areas are going to be something that we can drill into. So if you're curious about which opportunities we just got signed contracts for, drill into it. You can then view any of those opportunities and get into the details of any of those as well. Next, we're going to take a look at how does it all get started. It all gets started as a lead. And leads in Workamajig are considered to be unqualified persons or contacts. So we might get leads from a variety of different places. Leads are, again, going to be unqualified, so when a new lead comes in, we may not know if they're a real person. Sometimes people put silly information in those contact us forms. Once you put any kind of information into adding a lead, then we're going to start working on that lead. When we've communicated with people, whether we're adding a conversation that's simply a note because we rung them up on the phone and we started to communicate and then set a follow-up for us to reach out to them later or provide them with more information, or maybe we're going to email them, but we want the system to track that email communication so we have that history. Once we've decided, yeah, you know what, that's a great lead, we're going to move them forward. I'm going to convert them. When I convert them, that lead is no longer a lead. It's now going to be a contact record, a company record, and a potential new opportunity. So with Workamajig, once we have a lead and we've confirmed that they are a good lead, we're going to convert them forward. And they're going to be in our nice clean data set of contact and company records. We can also then initiate an opportunity. Now, opportunities aren't always only used by our salespeople. A lot of times they're used by our account executives because they're working with their clients on potential new opportunities or potential new strategies. So when we track opportunities, we're going to be tracking a lot of information. We're going to track, of course, who this opportunity might be for. We're going to track the value. We're going to be able to track the breakdown of that, stage, status, probability weighting. We can also forecast when do we anticipate this closing by, and what kind of duration would this project typically take. Because this information, while great for anyone managing opportunities, is also going to be feeding forward to people who are looking for resource potential needs and revenue potentials. And then, of course, making sure that we have all that information funneling through. So in our Today page for our salespeople, just like the Today page for everybody else, all the different things that they said, I need to check in on, all the different contacts, all of the different leads they're working with, and of course, all of those opportunities that they're working on, and they've set those takeaways from their meetings or their follow-ups, making sure that they have those on a list, not falling through the cracks, and not on a piece of paper.